Something strange is happening with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 right now. And if you're waiting for this camera, you need to hear this before you get too excited. Pre-orders are officially and unofficially live. Yeah, that sounds confusing, but here's what's really going on. As of April 4th, retailers in China have already started taking what are called blind pre-orders. But this is not a global launch. And it's not coming directly from DJI, at least not publicly. Instead, these pre-orders are being handled through offline stores and even WeChat, based on internal distribution information. In fact, a message from an authorized DJI dealer confirms that bookings for their annual flagship handheld device are already open. So what exactly is a blind pre-order? Simple, you're reserving the product, without knowing the full specs, without knowing the final price, and without even seeing the official launch. Sounds risky, right? Well, there's a small safety net. If you don't like what DJI eventually reveals, you can cancel your order. No pressure. And the process itself is pretty standard for early retail bookings. It's first come, first serve. You don't pay the full amount up front, and final payment only happens once the product is officially released. But here's where things get interesting. Even the retailers don't have all the answers yet. Pricing? Not finalized. Stock levels? Unknown. Launch timing? Still not locked. Some stores are already warning that demand is going to be crazy high, meaning if you're late, you could get pushed into a second batch. And if you've followed DJI launches before, you already know how that goes. Now, let's take a step back. What does this actually mean? This is a huge signal that the Pocket 4 is basically ready. We're not months away anymore, we're talking days. Current expectations point to an official announcement around April 20th, likely starting in China before rolling out globally. But until that happens, this is not the real pre-order phase. No confirmed specs, no official pricing, no global availability, just early access, for those willing to take the gamble. So if you're thinking about jumping in right now, ask yourself this: are you okay reserving a product you haven't fully seen yet? Or is it smarter to wait just a little longer, and get the full picture? Either way, one thing is clear. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 launch is right around the corner. And the hype? It's about to explode.